Today I'm going to show you how to set up a meeting using your meeting options in Teams. So I went into my team and I scheduled a meeting just like I normally would. I put in the title, I'm going to choose the date, and a description of the meeting. When I'm ready, I'm going to send the meeting out. Now I'm going to go into my calendar and go into that meeting, and I'm going to edit it. Notice that now there are meeting options available. Here's where I can decide if I want to turn on the lobby. So I would only like myself as the teacher to be able to bypass the lobby. I want all my students to go into the lobby first. I would like an announcement when callers join or leave. And I'm only going to have myself be able to present. I don't want any other students to be sharing their screen. If I want to change that, of course, I can choose a different option. Once I'm ready, I'm going to hit save. And those meetings options are now saved for my meeting.